Hello and welcome to another video here on the channel, Chris and the Hamster Wheel. As I've been saying in the latest couple of videos, we are soon moving to a town a little bit further down the mountain, which means we have to move everything. And I just had a brilliant idea this morning that there is a guy in town, a nice friend of ours called Kevin. He needs a pergola and therefore I want to give it to him. Then I don't have to move this gigantic pergola and have to get a car because I can't have it in my car and I don't want to disassemble it because that's going to take forever. And also I figured out it's not the perfect way to water my bonsai trees and plants because when the leaves get wet, some of the branches died on my trees, so all the moisture on the leaves is not so good. So, but there's pros and cons but I've heard a lot of people saying this. It's not good that all the tree gets wet, and I've heard a lot of people saying that it's good when the foliage also gets sprayed. But next year I want to try to make a watering system where I only water in the pot and not on the foliage and the tree itself. So I don't have to move the pergola, I don't have to get a bigger car, so it's a win-win situation to help him set it up and move it down to him. He's just down the street, so it's really a win-win. So I'm just going to start disassembling the watering pergola. Hey, Kev.
Where is he? He's not gone yet, has he? Because he dropped me some wine bottles off. No, that's great. That really is good. Because I've been thinking about that since I bought the place.
Amazing. They have better late than ever, right?
Yeah.
And I'm really happy I don't have to throw it away or exactly.
I don't know whether to level it or not. I think level it. Do you think?
I think so, yeah. Also, you need it taller because you want to be able that everybody can walk underneath it. So I think it's good that we make it a little bit taller on this end.
You obviously like your bamboo.
Yeah, I just think it's a brilliant material. And you know, in some Asian countries, I think China and stuff, where they use it instead of iron to reinforce the concrete, they use bamboo inside.
Oh, I know.
It's so strong. Actually, before I came down here, I didn't know bamboo could grow in Italy. So I thought the winter would be too cold. Something. Well, here we are. And now I'm building stuff for my YouTube channel all the time in bamboo.
I'll have to have a look at you.
Yeah, but I'm filming this, so I'll make a little video of us installing it down there, so you can see the story of your own pergola.
Because the other two sisters have got children. Big. Well, you have to watch you bang your head. But it's just you've got sort of a lot of tourists coming out and they love tennis and they want some lessons.
Actually, I don't think that's a bad idea.
Just to get a bit. Sometimes go in and just have a coffee and
Yeah, of course, that's what.
See, when I'm back in the...
Kevin, can you start holding the...
Yeah, of course I can.
Oh, anywhere, just
What?
stabilize it. It's
Yeah.
very shaky now.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yes. And now Kevin's pergola is almost finished. We just need to stabilize it a bit and he'll have a brand new pergola. He seems very happy with it. Almost done, we got it standing. Now I just need to put some stabilizers down the hill, hammer them into the ground so it's more stable. You can see it's not the most stable construction right now, but with some angles here and the stabilizing down there should be fine. And then in the future, maybe some vines growing upwards or a wisteria for further stabilization with the plants.
Giuseppe, cinema.
Questo è solo, questo è poco.
Sì, vero, grazie.
Ne sono entrati 20 centimetri. 20 centimetri.
Penso è più di 20.
What's that mean?
See how it's gonna look. You have a little.
He's alright. He's okay.
It's very okay. I think he taught me a lot of Italian.
Did he?
Yeah, just talking to him.
Yeah. Vicky, like I told you earlier, Vicky did.
There we go.
That's
Exactly.
important, isn't it?
Exactly.
What do you want to eat? Or water?
Water, please.
What are you up to? Anything. And every year you get called in. And the guy said, I sent a picture of it to Vittorio. I didn't know that Antonio and Maria, I haven't spoken to them much.
Our real estate agent is meeting with the other owners today to see if they'll sell what they say to our new offer.
Have you upped it a bit then?
Yeah, we are offering 120, and that's it. And they have 30 days.
Well, they wanted 150.
Yeah.
They'll take it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Positive energy, I guess. So,
No,
Kev,
I do.
it's done.
Well done.
What do you think?
I
Do
love
you like it?
I love it.
I'm happy. I'm very glad we could give it new life with you down here and you guys. And I don't have
It
to
worked great, didn't it?
Great, I'm happy.
And honestly.
And the channel is very glad to have someone else to listen to apart from me. So thanks for being a character.
No, you know, day one.
No, I'm just being ironic, you know.
Yeah. It's just nice. I mean, this really
Very
look.
nice.
Hey, this look really firm now, isn't it?
It is. It's good, but I think it's okay that
I think it'll
it,
be
it
alright.
can give a bit to the wind. It's not just it's fine.
I think it's brilliant.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
And
There we go.
yeah, there we go.
We're on tape.
Like
now,
and subscribe if you'd like to see more.
Yeah.
Bye.